Definitely looks like it's working. Feels like it's working. Man, she's glowing a bit down there. Mate, it's awesome. The Vesuvius II. Mate, just like brand new. Cut off the wire that I was hanging on there, but looking pretty good. Thank you very much. Awesome. Yeah, the old one was a bit chewed up. Wasn't holding much. Well, we have the ultimate test for the Vesuvius II. Is some old wood here that's been lying around for a few years. Some of it was a bit wet, but I tried to dry it out a bit over the last week or so. But as you can see, I've fairly chocked this. It's pretty solid. I'm just going to use that little bit of pine over there, split it up and put it on top and light it up and put the lid on, and we'll see how it goes. This is the lid for it. See, that's the bottom of the gas bottle with the lid, the top cut off and some holes cut in it. But see how I've got a lip here. That's cut from the bottom here, a ring. I just have to push the wood in past the little lip. There's a little lip on the welding. And then, so we now have it together. The bottom of 2 gas bottles and a hole cut out of the bottom one, or the top one here. That wood is pretty tightly packed in there. So let's see how we go with this. Try and get it going. It's an hour later. It's looking pretty good. Hasn't even got down to the bottom yet. I can put my hand on the bottom. It's still cold down here. No heat. It's a little bit warmer down there. No, that's no. This is all not even got going yet. Starting to get down in there a bit. But it's still cold at the bottom. So yeah, still a fairly decent fire up top though, and it's slowly getting down there. Well, it looks like it's definitely got down to the bottom. It's nearly 2 hours. Now, and it's only just starting to heat up now. I can still touch the bottom. It's not quite too hot, but that'll be glowing in a little while. Well, we're about just over 2 hours. 2 hours and 20 minutes. You can see it's burning right down in the bottom, and it's throwing out a fair bit of heat now. It'll be starting to glow soon. 2 3/4 hours, and you can see all the smaller pieces, all the 2x1s, they've all burnt out and disappeared. Now the 6x2s are the only ones left. They're just standing there on their own, burning very nicely. We have the official deck christening. Here it is. It's done. And the Vesuvius II helping us enjoy it.